and minerals.
Yes, and minerals. So yesterday we talked about the types of rocks. Can you guys remember how many types do we have?
May I answer, Miss Naha?
Yes, Rugmin, you can answer.
3.
Okay, well, I'm sorry, Rugmini, Muhammad answered before you, but guys, make sure you raise your hands. Do not answer without permission, so you can have a chance. Everyone can have a chance in answering. Okay.
Can I say that of rocks
So
that
we have.
types?
Okay, Rugmini. So we have 3 types, as Muhammad said.
Igneous,
Can you tell me one type? Yes, Rugmini. Igneous. Who else can tell
igneous,
me? Thank you, Rugmini. Yes, yes.
sedimentary.
No, that's enough. It's enough for you to say one. Because I'm going to ask someone
Okay.
else for another one. Thank you so much, Rugmini. So Rugmini said the first type, which is igneous rock. Can someone else tell me the second type? Do you guys remember? Anyone? So we had igneous rock. Huh? Yes, Adito.
Sediment.
Sedimentary rock.
Sedimentary rock.
Sedimentary rock. Yes, well done, Adito. Yes, Omar, do you want to answer? Omar, you're raising your hand. Do you want to answer? Omar, we cannot hear you, by the way.
Yes, I will rejoin because my
Okay, you can rejoin now. Omar, we cannot hear you if you're talking, because I think
he's
you're.
opening his mic, but I think the microphone he's plugging into his
Yes, it's not working.
No, it's muted.
Maybe it is.
Like
Okay, his mic is broken. Yes, his mic is broken. It's not working. Okay, Omar, it's okay. So we had also after sedimentary rock, we learned about the metamorphic rock. Okay, so I think I need to kick someone out.
Miss there's 2.
Okay. So guys, as we learned yesterday about the 3 types of rocks, if you guys still remember, we said that a rock is a solid substance made up of minerals, as we learned. And in here, each color shows different mineral. We have more than 4,000 types of minerals and how to identify them. All of this was in the previous sessions. I have to move fast. I'm sorry, guys, because we don't have enough time today. We need to do some questions together. We learned about the types of rocks. Again, there are 3 main types: igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. And we put them in groups up to how they were formed. Okay, so igneous rock, we said igneous actually means fire. So igneous rocks are formed when melted rocks cools and hardens. Do you guys remember this?
Yes.
Yes, so it's literally magma. When magma cools down and becomes a rock, in this case, we call it an igneous rock. Okay. Also lava, which is the magma when it's on the surface of the earth. So like in the picture here, in the picture on the right, when the volcano erupts, when the magma comes out, this is actually called lava now. When lava also cools down and hardens, do you guys know what harden means?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
what does it
become
mean?
hard.
Yes, becomes hard. Yes. Solidify, which means becomes also solid. So igneous rocks, again, they are formed by the melted rocks or the melted magma, or the magma, because magma actually is a melted rock, or lava that cools down and hardens. Sedimentary rocks are formed when sediments forms layers, like the picture you guys are seeing now. Can you see the sediments? What do you mean by sediments again? Can someone remember? Do you guys remember what do we mean by sediments? Yes.
Yes.
Well, Rugmini, I know you know, but I need to pick someone else. Guys, only Rugmini is participating in the session.
Mom, can I say?
Okay, Malak, you can raise your hand then. Thank you so much, Rugmini, for being active in all sessions. Thank you so much. Guys, I need everyone to be like Rugmini, please. Be active, try to answer more questions, raise your hands. Because you guys, you have participation points. Yes, Malak. What do you mean by sediments?
Sediments are small pieces of rocks.
Yes, small pieces of rocks, and they start forming. Okay, come on. As Malak said, sediments are small pieces of rocks. Yes, and they form layers, like the picture you guys can see. And these layers keep on pressing each other, like using more pressure and pressure. With more layers, they become harder and harder and start forming rocks. Okay, wind, water, and ice are responsible for this because they break down rocks into smaller pieces first, which we call sediments afterwards. And these sediments will make layers, and these layers will later solidify also and become rocks. You'll learn more details about this inshallah next year, if you are interested. We said that sedimentary rock is the only rock that we can find fossils in, okay, because it's not igneous, so it's not made up of magma, so it will not melt the fossils, and it's not metamorphic, which means it's going to be under a lot of pressure. Remember when we talked about metamorphic rocks and how they change from one type of rock into another by heat and pressure? Yes, that's right. And like the sandwich in here, changing after we press it down, and with heat, changes completely. It doesn't look the same like it was before. The same for rocks. Under pressure of mountains and other layers above it, rocks also get pressed and they change over time, and they become what we call metamorphic rock. They become what we call metamorphic rock, okay? Here we have three examples. We have igneous rock on the left, the one made up of crystals. And we have here the one with layers is the sedimentary rock. Igneous rocks also have layers, but you can see that it has more layers because it had been pressed more. Can you see that? Can you see the difference between the two layers in here? This one and this one, the one on the right and the one on the left. Can you see that this one is more pressed?
Yes.
So it's under more pressure. Okay, so we're having Iyad Adil. Okay, just let me make sure he is Iyad. So he's still joining us now. Iyad Adil. Iyad, can you please send confirmation that this is you, Iyad? Okay. So now, guys, I will take your questions. Do you have any questions about this previous part?
No.
Are you guys sure?
Miss, could I ask you another question about the sheet?
Yes, Hamza.
Is it on Smart School or no?
No, Habibi, it's going to be online. It's not a worksheet, and it's not a homework. I mean, we'll do some questions online together, and then I will upload the sheet, inshallah. Okay?
Okay.
But this one is not a worksheet. What I meant is that we're doing these questions together, ya Hamza.
Okay.
Okay, Malak and Liane, do you guys have any questions?
No.
Are you sure? Are you guys sure
No,
about this?
I just wanted to answer.
Okay. So let's now move into the yes.
Miss, can you ask Iyad a question so we know it's him?
Well, I think it's Iyad. I think, but his mic is not working. Iyad Adil. Do we have Iyad Adil with us now? Iyad.
Iyad. I mean, you had Iyad Tamer.
Yes, he said
He
it's him. He sent a message to me. Okay. So guys, we'll watch a video first, and then we'll do some of the questions in this live worksheet. It contains, some games, but first we'll watch a video, and then we will, move to the questions, and we'll use the line up. So we'll start with Hamza, then we have Leila and Yusuf. Okay, so you guys can be ready too. Okay, are you ready for the video?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes?
Yes, Hamza. So we're going to start with you. Can you see this? Yes. Can you guys see my screen?
Yes.
Hamza, can you
yes.
see the question? Yes. Okay. Can you read
Yeah.
the first
Rocks
question?
are formed by magma cooling down. Igneous.
Yes. So we pick igneous rock. That's right. Well done, Hamza. Then we have Leila. Do we have Leila with us today?
No, I think so.
Okay. We have Yusuf then. Yusuf?
Yeah, we don't have it.
No, we have Yusuf with us.
I mean,
Okay. Iyad and Rugmini, do you guys have any questions? Because you're raising your hands.
no, I wanted to answer.
Okay, we're moving with the names now. Okay, Rugmini? So everyone can have a chance in answering. Okay. Yes, Iyad, you're raising your hand also. Do you need anything? Okay. I'm gonna mute you guys. There is a background noise. Okay, Yusuf, number 2, please. Can you do number 2 for me?
Rocks
Yes, are formed.
are formed when plants and minerals are compressed.
Together. What do you think? What do you think this is? Like it can have plants in it, and is there all of them? Huh? Yes.
Sedimentary.
Yes, sedimentary rock. Well done, Yusuf. Thank you so much, and thank you so much, Hamza. Now we have Farah. Farah. Farah, can you answer number 3, please?
Yes.
Farah. Yes.
Yes.
Can you answer number 3?
Okay.
Okay. So it says,
Blank rocks are formed by pressure and high temperature.
Yes. What do we call this?
Formed
By heat and pressure. What do you think this is? Remember the sandwich? Yes, so we have all the options in here. Sedimentary rock, metamorphic rock, or igneous rock.
Igneous rock.
Are you sure it's igneous rock?
No.
By heat and pressure. What do you think?
Metamorphic.
Okay, it's going to be metamorphic. Remember it always with this one, this example. The sandwich bin under heat and pressure, it changed. It became a toast. We don't call it sandwich anymore. So the same here, metamorphic rocks are the rocks that change from one type of rock into another by high heat and pressure. Okay, is it obvious now, guys?
Let's thank God I ate, so I don't feel hungry.
Okay, so it's gonna be metamorphic. Yes? I'm sorry, I didn't hear your question.
I said thank God I ate, so I'm not hungry.
Okay. So that's it for this part. Let's move to this one. Okay. Okay. Can you guys see this one?
Yes.
We have Tahir with us now. Tahir?
Yes.
Yes, Tahir. Would you like to answer with us today?
Sure.
Yes. So what do you think the first one is? This igneous one. Is it formed when magma comes up to the surface, cools down, and solidifies? Or is it formed by the erosion of rocks? They are found at the bottom of lakes and oceans? Or is it formed by the heat and pressure? What do you think?
It is formed when magma comes up to the surface, cools down, and
Solidifies, yes.
solidifies.
Well done. Well done, Tahir, as usual. Okay, after Tahir, we have Wahba. Wahba?
Yes.
Yes, Wahba, can you answer this one? Metamorphic one.
Okay.
Okay, can you pick the choice? You can read all the choices if you want out loud, or you can pick the choice right away.
Okay. The third choice, formed by heat and pressure of rocks and other rocks.
Yes, well done. Heat and pressure, metamorphic. Okay, well done. Thank you so much. So we have Muhammad then. Muhammad. Do we have Muhammad with us today?
Yes.
Yes, Muhammad. So what do you think this is going to be?
The formed by erosion and other
Yes,
rocks.
by erosion, by breaking down of rocks into sediments. Well done.
Yes,
Thank you
Miss,
so
I
much, Muhammad.
wanted to say something.
You wanted to what?
Say something.
Yes.
Do you know in the kitchen the thing it's called like type of something? It's called what?
The
Do
table
you know
counter?
that? Yes, it's called what?
I'm sorry, the kitchen counter.
Yes,
Ukhama?
yes,
Ukhama in Arabic?
yes. This is a sedimentary because
No, not
there is
sedimentary. Be
is
careful.
it?
It's if it's granite, granite. Is it granite
Yes,
like
yes.
this one here? Let me show it to you in pictures.
It like it
Uh,
has
this one,
like many colors
Miss,
in
I
it.
have granite in
this
my
Yes,
one.
this
kitchen.
one.
Yes, so
Yes.
it's an igneous rock. Because now you
Oh,
will
okay.
learn some of the examples, because you guys didn't learn about the examples, because you will learn about the examples inshallah next year, not this year. But let me show you some of the famous examples. So in here, of course, we have granite, which is the famous example of igneous rocks, and that's why we can see some crystals in it. You will learn inshallah next year why do we have these crystals in it. And some rocks don't have crystals at all. Okay. The marble and clay, marble is always a metamorphic rock because it's so smooth and it's been under great heat and pressure, so it's going to be metamorphic rock. Coal is a sedimentary rock. Okay, sometimes people actually call it igneous rock, but yes. In here, you guys can see this one. This is a picture of what? What do you think this is?
A volcano.
A volcano, yes. So it shows the igneous
Eruption of a
rocks being
volcano.
formed. Yes, it shows the
Eruption.
igneous rocks being formed. Let me just zoom out a little bit so you can see the whole picture. Okay, so in here we'll have a magma chamber, this one down there. And this long tube where the magma flows through is actually called chimney. And like the chimney in homes, do you know the chimney in homes?
Yes, chimney.
Yes, it looks the same, and that's why they called it the same. And then we have some smoke and ash because of the eruption of this volcano. The opening of a volcano, some people call it volcano's mouth or crater, which is also an
I
opening.
call it
And then we
crater,
have,
Miss.
yes, and then we have left. Some people actually call it the mouth of the volcano. The same. Okay. So, can you guys guess now what is the job of each one? Would you like to play with me this game?
Yes.
I would like
Okay.
very much. I would like to
So,
play with you very much.
okay. Thank you so much. So we have Farida. Farida, would you like to do this for us?
Yes, sure.
Okay, just do one. Do one. Chimney. What do you think chimney should be? So is it when the volcano erupts, it also comes out smoke and ash, or where the magma comes out, or magma out the volcano? I'm sorry, magma out of the volcano, or is it pool of magma under a volcano, or is it where the magma goes up from the magma chamber? Which one?
I think the last one.
The last one. Well, if you looked at the picture, do you think it's where the magma goes up from the magma chamber? This one here? Yes, it is. Well done. No, why? Be sure about your answer. This is called chimney. This long tube where the magma goes up from the magma chamber.
It's just I don't know the name of the chimney, how it
Okay.
looks like.
You guys are not asked to learn about this, but just we're playing this game together. Okay?
I'm sorry.
Okay. No, it's okay. So smoke and ash. Let's see who's next. Okay, we have Tia. Do we have Tia with us? I don't think we have Tia with us. No, we have it. We have her today. Tia? Can you hear us, Tia? Tia, can you hear us? Okay, I think she's maybe having a problem. Okay, we have Basil. Basil?
Yes.
Yes, Basil. Would you like to continue? What do you think smoke and ash should be? Where should I match smoke and ash?
ماك of make out of the volcano.
Are you sure? Well, I think it will be number 1, but yeah, let's continue. You have crater, which is this one here. This is crater, this is opening. What do you think it's going to be? Is it where the magma comes out, ya Basil? Or is it magma out of the volcano? Or is it pool of magma under the volcano? What do you think we should call crater up there? Huh? Yes?
The third answer.
The third answer, a pool of magma under a volcano? This one here?
The middle one.
The middle one, magma out of a volcano. Well, magma out of a volcano, no. This is not crater. Crater is where the magma comes out. This opening here, Basit. Basit, please try to focus. Because every time we talk, I feel you're sleepy. Are you okay?
Yes.
Are you feeling well?
No.
Okay, so please try to participate more, ya Basit, because every session I will ask you a question, so try to be ready. Jumana, you're next. Jumana, you're next.
Yes.
Yes, so what do you think lava will be?
Magma out of a volcano.
Yes, well done. Magma out of a volcano, and magma chamber is the pool of magma. Let's see if we did all of them right or wrong. Do you guys think we got 10 out of 10?
Yes.
Well, unfortunately, no. We get actually not 8 out of 10 because we messed up with this one. This coal, as I told you guys, is actually igneous rock. Okay. But it's okay. We learn from our mistakes. Okay, guys. So we still have 2 minutes. I will now take the names. Are you guys interested in these games?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Okay, that's nice. So guys, yes? Yes, Abdurrahman. Oh, you wanted to show us something. Yes, you can show it to us until I take all the names. Okay, let me stop sharing. Yes, Abdurrahman, what did you want to show us? Okay, what's this? What's going on? Okay, let me spotlight you first. Okay, what's going on here?
Do you know what I'm doing now?
Well, if I was right, I think you're using a kind of a crystal or something, and you were
Yes, it's the diamond. Yes.
yes.
Yes, it's the diamond. Absolutely.
It's
It's a
what?
toy diamond.
It's what?
The toy.
This
Yes,
that I
it's
Toy
showed you
the
diamond.
last
toy
time.
one. Yes, yes. Thank you so much.
Miss,
Thank you
can
so
I
much,
show everybody
Abdurrahman.
my plants? Miss, can I show
But
everybody?
Farida, we're not showing the plants in the sessions. I told you guys send me your names with the pictures. I mean, send me pictures of your plants. I'm gonna show it to you. I'm gonna show it in the session.
My plants growed so much.
Well done. Then take a picture and I will share it with your friends next time. But you guys I need a lot of pictures so I can have like a lot of pictures to share in one time. Okay?
Just send it
On Messenger, on SMS, anywhere. Guys, the meeting will end now. Do you have any questions before leaving?
No.
Okay. Thank you guys so much. Thank you so much. See you inshallah tomorrow. Bye.
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 Bye, Ugmini. Bye, everyone. Bye.
Bye.